Here's a little bit of the Berlin Wall. The graffiti site, apparently. This selection of the Berlin Wall was a gift from the Luftwaffe, the German Air Force, to the city of Roswell for hospitality and goodwill it experienced during military maneuvers. Pretty cool. What does this side say? This was the east side, which is clean, apparently. Interesting, because this is located at a park here in Roswell, New Mexico, that shows the works of some POWs that helped create this canal. And this canal helps keep Roswell from flooding a lot, and good reason. But there's something else here. This is the Spring River Parkway, Iron Cross Observation Point. And that's what they're talking about. Right here. That's the Iron Cross. The German POWs of World War II who were out here created these canals and a lot of public works out here. And they decided to make this Iron Cross. Isn't that cool? Look at that. It's a piece of artwork right there. Apparently the officials out here weren't too happy about that, and they cemented this thing over for a long time, and it finally kind of wore away, and here we are with this relic from the past. Roswell, New Mexico.